Should you register as an individual account or an organization account? In this video, I will explain you the key difference between both accounts and which account you should buy to get your app successful. So let's get started the video. So before you sign up for Apple Developer Program, you need to choose between two types of account, personal or organization account. Let me quickly explain the difference so you can pick the right one. So first of all, personal account. This is meant for individual developer like freelancer, students, or anyone who is a solo business holding. If you are working alone, this is the fastest and easiest option for you. But here is the catch: your personal legal name will be appear on the app seller on App Store. Like your name is Kamran, and you will upload your app, and on the App Store you will see your name is written below the app. So you won't able to invite teammates or assign roles in the App Store Connect. Okay. Now in the organization account. This is one for company, startup, or any registered business. You will need DUNS number and you must have legal authority to enroll to the business. With the account, you can add team members, assign roles, and most importantly, your company name will be appear on the app seller on App Store. So, if you are just starting out solo, go with personal. But if you are building apps for brand or working with a team or such, choose an organization. It gives you more control and looks more professional. I hope this clears it up. Let's move on the next step. So subscribe to the YouTube channel, and if you need any more information or you need to develop or you need to put your app on store, we have also provided these services. So my Fiverr and other resources are linked in the description. So let's meet in the next video. Thanks for watching.